Jack Hansen here. Today I have a special guest, Luke. He's going to be solving a Rubik's Cube. Okay, Luke. You can start now. Ready?
When? Time me.
Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are in my store? 6, 7, 8.
Dude, you have a good cube.
9.
Sadly, the new one I got is about 10 times better.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
You're Quincy now?
25, 26, 27.
It's me, Mario!
29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34,
30, turn around.
35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41.
Done.
41 seconds, as you can see. The cube is solved.
Cube. Okay, so cube.
So
Right.
that's that cube. Oh my god.
You don't just freaking trust me.
So,
Bye.
21. Okay, now